today we are gathered here to do a DT-based activity on LSTM. So as you all know, LSTM it is nothing but long short-term memory, which is a specialized recurrent neural network architecture, mainly used for long-term dependencies in the sequential data. So it is LSTM uses the specialized gating mechanism. So it contains of 3 gates so that it will allow only the required information to the particular cell. The applications of LSTM includes your time series forecasting. So let us see this in deep with the DT-based discussion.
Hello everyone, today we are gathering to discuss about DT-based video on LSTM. Today we present how design thinking solves real-world problems using deep learning. In the emergent stage, we focus on farmers who struggle with unpredictable weather and crop yields. To understand the farmer challenges through their interactions and observations about the crop yields, and they need a reliable system for supporting their better decisions to make their crop yields or productions. And to address this, we explore AI solutions that analyze their past data and give predicted decisions.
DT-based activity, non-structured memory, and our define is after understanding the farmer's problems, and we decide clearly the issues. Farmers wants to predict better way to crop and weather condition. So old method cannot give very accuracy and efficiency, and it cannot handle large amount of data and take time is more. And farmer wants to better reliable solution, so we decide to choose a deep learning model. And the deep learning model will give better accuracy, and our goal is to build a system to help our farmers to provide a quick accuracy and model to reduce the risk.
Hi guys, I am going to present the idea base of the DT-based activity in the LSTM. So we discussed more models like example of the DL models, but best is LSTM for this agricultural problem. Hi guys, I am going to explain the idea base of this DT-based activity. So in this idea base, we brainstorm the models and we choose the LSTM because the LSTM can store the old memories, old information of this data, so that we choose the LSTM. LSTM is a recurrent neural network. It uses a 3-gated architecture. Forward gate, input gate, and output gate. Let's see the architecture of the LSTM. So we are going to see the architecture of the LSTM. So this is one cell of the LSTM model. In this LSTM model, they use a 3-gated architecture or forward gate, input gate, and output gate. First, this is the forward gate. In this forward gate, we have 2 inputs. The 2 inputs are passed to the forward gate. In this forward gate, we decide what information we have to reduce from the previous informations. So next, we move on to the input gate. In this input gate, we pass on the input as the forward gate's output as an input, and they also add a candidate value in this input gate. Because of this candidate values, we can update the new information in this LSTM cell. Next, we move on to the output gate. In this output gate, we finalize what information we have to send to the next LSTM cell.
Hello guys, now I am going to explain the prototype stage of the DT-based activity. In prototype stage, we build a base model of the LSTM. This LSTM model uses the past data to learn the pattern and predict the future output. These gates, this prototype uses the 3 gates, forward gate, input and output gate. These gates help the LSTM model to remember what to ignore and what to remember.
Explain the extent conclusion stage based on design thinking process about the LSTM model. In this stage, we evaluate our model using real-time data. The long-standard memory model is performed better than the traditional model. It provides a useful prediction that helps to farmer make a better decisions. In conclusion, design thinking helps us to understand the concept, and LSTM model gave us a strong technical solution. This approach may help us to solve the many real-world problem challenges. Thank you.
So to conclude, long short-term memory is a recurrent neural architecture which is mainly used for long-term dependencies in the sequence. data. So it uses a specialized dating mechanism wherein the dating mechanism helps the data to retain the information, and it also ignores the data which is not useful for the